Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and today I have an unboxing. I won a contest from my good friend WOLAM3, and package just arrived, so we're going to, without further ado, we're going to open it up here and see what we got. Okay, first things first, a little message. And he goes, "Dear FirearmPop, I have listed the items you have won below and the reasons you got them. Thanks for entering. Sincerely, WOLAM3. Paracord bracelet because you should look stylish. Paracord keychain 2 times because you don't have enough already." Sarcasm. And clown for target practice. And a K-bar folder to stab the clown. Okay. That sounds like fun. Let's see what we got. That gets rid of that. And first thing here is a target and a clown. It's killer targets. That's cool. I have to use that. And let's see. Keychains, lanyards. Well, keychains probably because of the split ring. These, you can always use these, even like I said, for lanyards or zipper pulls. They come in really handy. Thank you. And the paracord bracelet with the large whistle clasp, so that's really nice too. Well made, and I'll have to use that. And a K-bar K2 folder. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Alright, looks nice. It's a K-bar. It's got a liner lock. It's a limited edition. 16, it says. Pretty sharp. Feels pretty sharp. So, looks like a nice little knife. And it's K-bar, so you know it's well made. It feels pretty solid. After I get to use it for a while, I'll do a review on this. Okay, so thank you WOLAM3 for the prizes and the surprise. Thanks again. And this is FirearmPop. You can find me on Facebook at FirearmPop. You can find me on the web at FirearmPop.com. And as always, this is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.